So this is just a recap for a live stream 108, I believe. So we came into the market due to primarily to our job. We couldn't have been here at the market open around 9:30 New York time, so missed out on all this price action. There was a setup on NQ that we could have taken. We also had the opportunity to re-enter the actual setup on this pullback here, but when we came to the charts, we're still analyzing the charts, and I suppose we didn't quite have our bearings settled, so we couldn't quite get in on the short. It would have been a very good short that would have hit target. That's what this green line was. That was the target on NQ. But we did have a re-entry setup on ES, and we did take that re-entry setup short, wait for a bit of a pullback, went short. What we did was we were short in the YM at the same time. Prices, we had a target set down here at 48.50. Price came down, pretty much touched the 48.50. It wasn't filled at a 48.50 as prices retraced, decided to close the position. Didn't want to take the chance of the market reversing. Again, leaving a bit of profit on the table, but prices did come very close, well, within a tick or so of actually triggering my order. So we hit the level, wasn't triggered, so decided to get out on as prices continue to hold around the level. So I picked up 34,375. I think if we'd have held the target at about 36.5. So I left a little bit of profit on the table there, not much, about 2 or so points. Again, it's a theme that continues here. Just leaving a little bit of profit on the table, just taking profits as price comes pretty close to my target here. I'm not going to complain. Profits are profits, and it's pretty much over 90% of the profits that I wanted in the trade. At the same time, we had a YM trade. I thought at one point that ES would have hit before the YM due to the weakness that we saw in NQ. But the YM trade actually hit target first. Again, this was a re-entry setup. And we weren't here for the market open. So re-entry setup short. We took this trade. Price came down, hit our target. Pretty good. 28 points, got a full target there. There was, of course, in hindsight, the chance to get full target on ES. We've got out at 49.75. Target was at 48.50. And as we can see here, prices are currently at 46, trading below the 45, below the 46 level. We just hit 45.75 here. Seeing a continued move to the downside on ES. So definitely a lot of room there. I think the maximum we're looking at was around about 66 point minus commissions. You're looking about 65, 64. Got 61, 854, almost 62. So two to 3 points on the table. That's fine. We'll bring over trade performance. Again, it's difficult to read anything into trade performance as we have had just two profitable trades. So the profit factor is going to be pretty high. So is the equity curve. As we can see, a very smooth equity curve here to the upside on both trades. As we can see as well that we took the trades after. So this is the exit time. Let's trade this to entry time. Entry time, we took these trades at around about 12:25 Eastern Standard Time. So it's actually during lunchtime. We've taken these re-entry signals here. Currently, at the time, we had over 289 points, I believe it was, of range. Was that right? Yeah, about 289 points of range on 293, I think, points of range on NQ at the time. I use NQ as a reference point. And that's pretty much what we picked up, 61,854. Again, on the summary page, you can't really read much into it because didn't have any losing trades, 100% accuracy. So that's pretty much it. So this week, I believe we've had a profitable week for the first time in a very long time. There we are. So we've had a profitable week for the first time in a long time. And let's have a look at our equity curve here. Had a big drawdown. That was at 95 points there. Was it 95? Oh, lost more than 95. But as you can see, we peaked here at 201,787. Had this big drawdown here, down to 12, and we've rallied back to new highs at 202. So very dramatic. Definitely don't want to see this sort of thing. Don't want to see these huge dips in our equity curve. Would much rather smoother equity curve, but it is what it is. Had a profitable week at the end of it. So just very happy with that. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading, and definitely have a great day.